The Mediterranean Sea once dried up and nearly disappeared. About 6 million years ago, tectonic forces raised a mountain range near the Strait of Gibraltar. This blocked water from the Atlantic Ocean from entering the Mediterranean. Without a steady water supply, the hot sun dried up the sea. What remained were a few small salty lakes and large plains of salt and minerals. Scientists now call this event the Messinian salinity crisis. It was one of the most extreme environmental disasters in Earth's history. A small leak from the Atlantic changed everything. Around 5.3 million years ago, the mountains near Gibraltar slowly sank. One day, water from the Atlantic Ocean began to leak over the edge. That leak became a stream, then a river, and finally a massive flood. The ocean rushed into the empty Mediterranean basin with great power. It ended 600,000 years of dryness in just a short time. The transformation was fast, dramatic, and unstoppable. The Zanclean flood created winds and earthquakes. As water poured into the Mediterranean, it moved at speeds of up to 72 miles per hour. This caused powerful winds and waves. The rising water pressed on the Earth's crust, leading to earthquakes. Animals like the Myotragus faced a terrifying and noisy world. To them, it must have felt like the sky was falling. The sound, the shaking, and the water must have been overwhelming. The flood reshaped the land and formed the modern sea. The water first filled the western half of the Mediterranean. It then spilled over a steep wall called the Malta Escarpment into the eastern side. This created the tallest waterfall in Earth's history. The flood carried mud and rocks and changed the shape of the seafloor. It was like a giant hand carved the seafloor. The Mediterranean, as we know it, was finally born. The sea recovered, but life changed forever. After the flood, the sea looked calm again, but it had changed completely. Only a few old species survived the crisis and flood. The water was too salty for new life to thrive at first. It took thousands of years for conditions to improve. Even today, the Mediterranean is saltier than the Atlantic. The past cannot be restored, but a new balance was found. Vocabulary learning. Tectonic. Related to the structure and movement of the Earth's surface. The region was shaped by tectonic activity millions of years ago. Basin. A low area of land where water collects. Water rushed into the Mediterranean basin with great power. Crust. The hard outer part of the Earth. The Earth's crust moved during the flood, causing earthquakes. Erupt. To explode or burst suddenly. Earthquakes erupted as the water poured into the sea. Species, a group of similar living things. Only a few species survived the salinity crisis. Salinity, the amount of salt in water. The salinity was too high for most sea creatures to survive. Megaflood, a very large and powerful flood. The Zanclean Megaflood was the largest in Earth's history. Refill, to fill something again. The ocean refilled the empty sea basin in just a few years. Transformation, a big and clear change. The flood caused a major transformation of the sea. Biodiversity, the variety of life in a place. Today, the Mediterranean has rich biodiversity. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know if you have any thoughts or requests. Your support keeps me inspired and moving forward.